What's going on, guys? We're working on the Integra again today. You know it. Gonna do some new headlights. I got halos and everything, so we gonna have to wire those in. I gotta remove this bumper. But yeah, it's Project Taggy time. And I don't know if you guys know, but I did get the AC compressor out, the fan out. She's getting a little better. She's filthy right now, needs a cleaning, but yeah, so let's get to working on these headlights. Let me get this bumper off. Alright, so we got the bumper off. Start removing these headlights. No. Well, since everything's fucking busted anyways. Alright, so I got these all unbolted. Bulbs out. There's one. Oh, that one don't want to turn. Oh, I gotta unplug all my ballasts, and so let me do that. Cut them zip ties and unplug the ballast. Here's the start. I got the headlights out. Gotta start unplugging the ballast on this side and unzip tie it and whatnot. So I got them somewhat positioned. So I get a bolt in that one. I get bolts in those. I think that bracket's bent down a little bit. I gotta try and bend that up. But yeah, I'm gonna be running LEDs, 6,000 Ks. It's gonna look way cleaner than the old ones. Running halos. Oh yeah. Alright, well, let me get back to it. Okay, so for the halos, I'm going to use the park lights or daytime running lights. I'm just going to splice this. Put a shrink tube on there in case it gets wet or something. Alrighty. So for these, all we're gonna do I might have put the shrink tube on the other one, huh? Yeah. Take the two reds, twist them together. Chuck that on there. Pinch. Check it. Good. Tap the black ground. Those two together. Take this. Put it on there. And pinch. Good. Okay, so now both the powers. Twist together, throw a shrink tube right there. Power side. Got a good connection. Check the wires, good. Slide this over it. And we'll heat shrink it. But first I want to make sure everything works, so I'm going to just splice it all together. Together. A lot of mean. And grip. Alright, so this should be done. But find out here. We come right back. So the moment of truth. Turn them on. And there we go, we got halos. Headlights working. Headlight working, yep. I gotta wire in that side, but this side's done. Gotta shrink wrap it and or heat shrink tube it, whatever you wanna call this shit. And yeah, come back to you guys. So this is how I got it wired up. I got it wired right into the, I believe that is her daytime running light. I got it spliced into them. Got it wound up in the harness kind of nice. Taped her up a little bit. This side's ready to go, all working. I'll adjust the headlight once I get the bumper back on. I don't know if I want to run these wires any differently, but I'll figure that out sooner or later. So I still gotta wire this side. I'm not gonna show you guys since I pretty much showed you on the other side. Alrighty, I'll come back to you. Alrighty guys, so we got them, the halos all wired in, the headlights wired in, all plugged in, on. Sick. So yeah, and let me get this bumper back on. I'll come right back to you guys. Alrighty guys, So that's gonna be it for the install of the headlights. Look pretty good. I'm turning them on for you guys real quick. Yeah, that interior though. What you know about them NRGs? Tell you, looking clean. Gut life. Straight gutted. Can't wait until it gets dark. Check it out. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. That's gonna be it. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button.